right, as x approaches 1, this is definitely the 0 divided by 0 indeterminate form. So ask yourself, which technique for evaluating limits should we use? It'll be the rationalization technique. This technique will rationalize the denominator. So when we choose to multiply by the conjugate of the denominator, root x plus 1, over itself, in the denominator, it will simplify to just x minus 1. Because first times first is x, outside times outside is positive root x, the inner product is negative root x, they cancel each other out, and last times last is negative 1. So make sure you don't multiply the numerator, just leave it in factored form. The factor x minus 1 multiplied by the factor root x plus 1, because now we can see very clearly that we have some common factors that will divide out. And with direct substitution, as x approaches 1, this expression approaches 1 plus 1, or 2.